To news from the agriculture sector now, onion farmers in St. Thomas are urgently appealing for help.
Most people buy onions every week because they think onions cannot last long in storage. A few days on the counter, maybe a couple weeks in the pantry, and suddenly they become soft, moldy, or start sprouting. But what if I told you that onions can actually last many months, even close to a year, if you store them the right way? The problem is that most households store onions completely wrong. Plastic bags, refrigerators, sealed containers, or damp cabinets can quickly destroy onions and cause them to rot. And once one onion starts rotting, it can spread to the rest of the batch very quickly. Farmers and long-term food storage experts have known for decades that onions can last far longer than people think. In fact, with the right techniques, onions can stay fresh for months without losing flavor or texture. The key is understanding how onions naturally store and what conditions help them stay dry, firm, and mold-free. In this video, we're going to reveal 8 surprising onion storage facts that most people never learn. These simple tips can help you keep onions fresh for much longer and avoid wasting food and money. Before we jump in, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future food storage tips and kitchen hacks. Now let's start with the first storage secret that many people get completely wrong. 1. Never store onions in plastic bags. One of the biggest mistakes people make when storing onions is leaving them in the plastic bags they bring home from the grocery store. Plastic bags trap moisture and prevent proper air circulation, which creates the perfect environment for mold, bacteria, and rot to develop. Onions naturally release small amounts of moisture and gases as they age, and when that moisture gets trapped inside plastic, it accelerates spoilage dramatically. That's why onions left inside plastic grocery bags often start becoming soft, moldy, or slimy within just a few days. Farmers and food storage experts almost never store onions in plastic for this exact reason. Instead, onions need constant airflow to stay dry and stable. Good air circulation allows moisture to escape and keeps the outer skins dry, which protects the inner layers of the onion. The best way to store onions is in breathable containers that allow air to move freely around them. Examples include mesh produce bags, wire baskets, wooden crates, cardboard boxes with holes, or even paper bags with small ventilation holes punched into them. These options mimic the way onions are stored on farms and in produce warehouses. When onions are placed in breathable storage, they stay dry and firm much longer. Another important tip is to avoid stacking onions tightly on top of each other. If onions are piled in a dense heap, airflow cannot reach the onions in the middle, which increases the chance of hidden rot spreading through the batch. Instead, try spreading them in a single layer or in a shallow basket where air can move around them easily. It's also a good idea to occasionally check stored onions for soft spots or mold. If one onion starts to rot, it can quickly affect the others nearby. Removing spoiled onions immediately helps protect the rest of the batch. Many people are surprised to learn that simply removing onions from plastic bags can significantly extend their shelf life. In the right breathable container, onions can last several weeks or even months depending on the variety. So if you want onions to last much longer and avoid wasting food, the first rule is simple but extremely important. Never store onions in plastic bags. Proper airflow is one of the most powerful tools for long-term onion storage, and this small change alone can make a huge difference in keeping onions fresh. 2. Keep onions in a cool, dark, and dry place. Another key factor that determines how long onions last is where you store them in your home. Many people keep onions on bright kitchen counters or near warm appliances without realizing that heat and light can dramatically shorten their shelf life. Onions naturally go through a slow aging process after harvest, and warm temperatures speed up that process. When onions are stored in warm environments, they lose moisture faster, soften more quickly, and begin sprouting sooner. Light also plays a role because it signals the onion that it's time to grow again, which leads to green shoots forming from the top. Once onions start sprouting, they lose flavor and firmness and eventually begin to deteriorate. For long-term storage, onions need a cool, dark, and dry environment. Food storage experts recommend temperatures between about 45 degrees Fahrenheit and 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which slows the onion's natural aging process while keeping it from freezing. Most homes have a few locations that naturally fall into this temperature range, such as a pantry, basement shelf, garage storage cabinet, dark kitchen cupboard away from heat sources. Placing onions near ovens, stovetops, dishwashers, or sunny windows can dramatically increase the temperature around them and cause them to spoil much faster. Moisture is another important factor to control. Humid environments encourage mold growth and can cause onions to soften and rot. That's why refrigerators are usually not ideal for storing whole onions. The cold temperature combined with humidity can make onions become soft and mushy over time. Instead, a dry pantry or well-ventilated cupboard works much better. Darkness also helps preserve onions because light encourages sprouting. Keeping onions in a shaded container, drawer, or closed cabinet helps prevent premature growth. When onions are stored in a cool, dark, and dry location with proper airflow, they can stay fresh far longer than most people expect. In fact, certain onion varieties stored under the right conditions can last several months without losing quality. This simple storage habit can help reduce food waste and ensure that onions are always ready to use whenever you need them in the kitchen. 3. Never store onions near potatoes. One of the most common storage mistakes people make is placing onions and potatoes together in the same basket or storage bin. It may seem convenient because both vegetables are pantry staples and don't require refrigeration, but storing them side by side can actually cause both foods to spoil much faster. The reason has to do with the natural gases and moisture that potatoes release as they age. Potatoes emit a gas called ethylene, along with small amounts of moisture. These gases accelerate the aging process of nearby produce, including onions. When onions absorb this extra moisture and gas, they begin to soften, sprout, and rot much more quickly than they normally would. The moisture released by potatoes can also cause onion skins to become damp, which creates an ideal environment for mold and bacteria to grow. This is why many people notice that onions stored next to potatoes often become mushy or develop dark, soft spots. Farmers and produce storage facilities avoid this problem by always storing onions and potatoes in separate areas with proper ventilation. Keeping them apart allows each vegetable to maintain its own ideal storage conditions. Onions prefer dry environments with strong airflow, while potatoes do better in slightly more humid conditions with less airflow. Mixing the two together creates a conflict between these storage needs, which leads to faster spoilage for both foods. A better solution is to store onions in a dry, ventilated container, such as a wire basket or mesh bag, while potatoes can be kept in a cool, dark container like a paper sack or wooden crate. Ideally, the two should be stored on different shelves or in different parts of the pantry to prevent moisture and gases from transferring between them. This small storage adjustment can dramatically extend the shelf life of both vegetables. When onions are kept away from potatoes and stored in a dry, well-ventilated area, they remain firm, flavorful, and usable for much longer. Many people are surprised to learn that simply separating onions and potatoes can help prevent early spoilage and reduce food waste in the kitchen. 4. Always cure onions before long-term storage. Another important factor that determines how long onions last is whether they have been properly cured. Curing is a process that dries the outer skin of the onion and seals in the moisture inside the bulb. This protective outer layer acts like natural armor that helps the onion resist mold, bacteria, and spoilage. When onions are harvested fresh from the ground, they contain a high amount of moisture. If they are stored immediately without curing, they tend to rot much faster. Farmers solve this problem by curing onions before storing them. The curing process involves allowing onions to dry in a warm, well-ventilated area for several days or weeks. During this time, the outer skins become papery and dry, while the neck of the onion tightens and seals shut. This drying process locks moisture inside the bulb and prevents bacteria from entering. While most grocery store onions have already been cured before reaching the market, it's still helpful to inspect them before storage. Onions that feel soft, damp, or have damaged skins may not have cured properly and should be used sooner rather than stored long term. If you grow onions in your own garden, curing becomes even more important. Garden onions should be laid out in a warm, shaded area with good airflow for about 2 to 3 weeks. Once the skins are dry and papery, the onions are ready for long-term storage. Properly cured onions can last several months longer than uncured ones. The dry outer skin acts as a barrier that protects the inner layers from moisture and contamination. This is why onions with thick, papery skins usually last longer in storage than onions with thin or damaged skins. When combined with cool temperatures, darkness, and good airflow, curing becomes one of the most effective ways to preserve onions for extended periods. Many experienced gardeners and farmers rely on this simple technique to keep onions fresh through the winter months without refrigeration. 5. Use mesh bags or wire baskets for maximum airflow. One of the most effective ways to store onions for long periods is by keeping them in containers that allow maximum airflow. Many people simply place onions in a bowl or leave them sitting in a pile on the counter, but this can actually trap trap moisture between the onions and led to early spoilage. Onions need constant air circulation around them in order to stay dry and firm. When air moves freely around the bulbs, it prevents moisture from building up on the outer skin, which is one of the biggest causes of mold and rot. This is why farmers and produce distributors often store onions in mesh bags, wire baskets, or ventilated crates. These storage methods allow air to pass through from every direction. The constant airflow helps onions remain dry, which significantly slows down the growth of bacteria and mold. A mesh bag, for example, allows onions to breathe while also keeping them organized and easy to access in the pantry. Wire baskets work in a similar way. Because they have open sides, they allow air to circulate around every onion. This helps prevent moisture from collecting underneath the onions, which can happen when they are placed in solid containers like bowls or plastic bins. When moisture builds up at the bottom of a container, the onions sitting at the bottom tend to rot first and then spread spoilage to the rest of the batch. Another helpful tip is to avoid stacking onions too deeply. If onions are piled on top of each other in a large heap, the onions in the middle receive less airflow and may begin to soften faster. Instead, try storing them in shallow containers or hanging mesh bags where the onions are spread out more evenly. Some people also use the pantyhose storage method, where each onion is placed inside a section of pantyhose and tied off individually. This method allows excellent airflow and prevents onions from touching each other, which can help stop rot from spreading. By simply choosing the right storage container, you can dramatically extend how long onions last in your home. When stored in breathable containers with good airflow, onions can stay fresh for several months instead of spoiling after just a few weeks. 6. Never refrigerate whole onions. Many people assume that the refrigerator is the best place to store almost every vegetable, but whole onions are actually one of the few foods that should not be stored in the fridge. Refrigerators create a cold and humid environment, which is exactly the opposite of what onions need for long-term storage. While the cold temperature may slow down some spoilage processes, the humidity inside the refrigerator can cause onions to absorb moisture and become soft, mushy, or moldy. Onions naturally prefer dry, cool environments with good ventilation. When placed in the refrigerator, they are exposed to high humidity levels that soften the onion's outer skin. Once the protective papery skin becomes damp, bacteria and mold can grow much more easily. This is why onions stored in the fridge often develop soft spots or begin to rot much faster than expected. Another problem with refrigerating onions is the effect on their texture. The cold environment can break down the onion's cell structure, which causes them to become watery and lose their crispness. This not only affects storage life, but also changes the flavor and texture when the onion is used in cooking. However, there is one exception to this rule. Once an onion has been cut, it should be stored in the refrigerator to prevent bacterial growth. Cut onions should be wrapped tightly in plastic wrap or placed in an airtight container before refrigerating. This helps protect the onion from absorbing other food odors while keeping it safe to eat. Whole onions, on the other hand, should always be stored outside the refrigerator in a cool, dark, dry location, such as a pantry, cupboard, or basement shelf. When stored properly with good airflow and low humidity, whole onions can last for months without losing quality. Understanding this difference between storing whole onions and cut onions can make a huge difference in preventing food waste. By keeping whole onions out of the refrigerator and storing them in the right environment, you can significantly extend their shelf life and maintain their flavor and texture for much longer. 7. Choose the right type of onion for long-term storage. Surprising fact that many people don't realize is that not all onions store the same way. Some onions are naturally designed for long storage, while others are meant to be eaten quickly. If you want onions to last for many months without rotting or sprouting, choosing the right variety is one of the most important factors. Generally, onions fall into two main categories: short-term onions and storage onions. Short-term onions include varieties like sweet onions, Vidalia onions, and Walla Walla onions. These onions contain a higher water content, which gives them their mild flavor and sweetness. However, the extra moisture inside the bulb makes them much more prone to spoilage. Because of this, sweet onions usually only last a few weeks in storage before they begin to soften or grow mold. Storage onions, on the other hand, are much better suited for long-term keeping. Varieties such as yellow onions, white onions, and red onions typically have lower moisture content and thicker outer skins. These thicker skins act as a protective layer that shields the onion from moisture and bacteria. Because of this natural protection, storage onions can last several months when kept under the right conditions. Yellow onions are often considered the best onion variety for long storage. Their thick, papery skins and balanced moisture levels help them remain firm for extended periods. Red onions also store fairly well, although they may not last quite as long as yellow onions. White onions usually fall somewhere in the middle, lasting longer than sweet onions, but slightly less than yellow onions. Another tip is to look closely at the onion before storing it. Choose onions that are firm, dry, and free free from soft spots or bruises. Onions with damaged skins or soft areas tend to spoil much faster and can spread rot to nearby onions. If you notice an onion that feels soft or damp, it's better to use it soon instead of storing it long term. Many farmers intentionally grow specific onion varieties designed for winter storage. These onions are harvested and cured in a way that allows them to stay fresh for months in cool storage conditions. By choosing the right onion type and storing it properly, you can significantly extend how long your onions last in your kitchen. Simply switching from sweet onions to storage onions can make the difference between onions lasting 2 weeks versus several months. This small change is one of the easiest ways to dramatically improve onion storage at home. 8. Use the hanging storage method for maximum shelf life. One of the most effective and surprising ways to store onions for long periods is by using the hanging storage method. This traditional method has been used by farmers and homesteaders for generations because it provides excellent airflow and prevents onions from touching each other, which helps stop rot from spreading. The idea behind hanging storage is simple. Instead of placing onions in a bowl or basket, they are stored in a way that allows air to circulate completely around each onion. This airflow keeps the onions dry and prevents moisture buildup, which is one of the main causes of spoilage. One popular technique is the mesh bag hanging method. Mesh produce bags allow air to pass through easily while keeping the onions contained. By hanging the bag in a cool, dark location, such as a pantry or basement, the onions remain well ventilated and dry. Because the onions are suspended in the air, moisture cannot accumulate underneath them like it might in a container. Another famous method is the pantyhose onion storage trick, which many gardeners swear by. In this method, each onion is placed inside a section of pantyhose and tied off with a knot before adding the next onion. This creates a chain of onions separated by knots. Each onion sits in its own breathable pocket, allowing air to circulate around it while preventing contact with the other onions. If one onion begins to spoil, it can easily be removed without affecting the others. Hanging onions also helps prevent pressure damage. When onions are stacked in containers, the weight of the onions on top can cause the ones at the bottom to bruise or soften over time. Hanging storage eliminates this issue completely because the onions are not pressing against each other. The location where the onions are hung also matters. The ideal storage spot should be cool, dark, and dry with good air circulation. Many people hang onion storage bags in a pantry, garage, basement, or even a ventilated kitchen cabinet. Avoid areas that receive direct sunlight or heat from appliances. With the right environment and proper airflow, onions stored using the hanging method can last many months and sometimes close to a year, depending on the variety. This simple storage technique is one of the best ways to extend onion shelf life. Something as simple as the way you store onions can mean the difference between them lasting 1 week or several months. The truth is, onions are actually one of the easiest vegetables to store long term, but only if you understand the basic rules that farmers and food storage experts have known for years. Just remember the key takeaways. Never trap onions in plastic bags. Always give them airflow. Store them in a cool, dark, and dry place, not near heat or sunlight. Keep them far away from potatoes because the gases from potatoes can cause onions to spoil much faster. Make sure onions are properly cured and dry before storing them, and always use breathable containers like mesh bags or wire baskets. Choosing the right type of onion, especially storage varieties like yellow onions, can also make a huge difference in how long they last. And finally, using the hanging storage method can dramatically improve airflow and help prevent rot from spreading. When you combine all of these tips together, onions can last many months, sometimes even close to a year without going bad. That means fewer grocery trips, less food waste, and always having fresh onions ready whenever you need them for cooking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. And if you enjoy learning simple food tips, kitchen hacks, and grocery secrets that most people don't know, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video. Also, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us how you normally store onions at home. Do you keep them on the counter, in the pantry, or somewhere else? And if you have your own storage trick that works really well, share it with everyone in the comments so other viewers can learn from it too. And one more thing, share this video with a friend or family member who always complains that their onions go bad too quickly. Most people are making the same simple storage mistakes without even realizing it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we reveal more grocery secrets, food storage tips, and surprising kitchen facts that can save you time and money.